Welcome to this video about the PureFilters water purifier. Here's how to assemble your water purifier. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary components. The two stainless steel tanks, the lid button and its screw, the tap, its washers and its nut, the Cold Stream FTO Plus filters and their accessories. First, prepare your workspace by placing all the components within reach. Now let's move on to the assembly step. After washing your hands, let's start by installing the lid. Position the button on the lid by inserting the screw through the hole in the lid, then screw the button onto it. Everything can be done by hand. You do not need any specific tools. Start by placing the stainless steel washer, then the rubber seal on the threaded part of the tap. Then insert the tap into the hole in the lower chamber. Put in place the second seal with its stainless steel washer inside and secure them in position with the tap nut. Leave a little slack. Turn the tap on itself to ensure sufficient pressure on the inner and outer seal to obtain a perfect seal. Then insert the two plugs into the upper tank to block the holes. The other two holes will be used to install your filters. Now let's move on to installing the filters. Position the rubber seal on the thread. Insert the filter with its seal into the upper tank and secure it using the provided fixing nut. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut. Place the upper tank on the lower tank and place the lid on. Once all the components are installed, fill your upper tank completely with water. Remember to discard the water from the first filtration, as it's used to rinse the filters and should not be consumed. After several minutes of operation, the water is purified and ready to be enjoyed. There you have it. Your PureFilters water purifier is now ready to use. Enjoy pure and healthy water every day. For more information, visit our website or contact our customer service. PureFilters, pure healthy water simplified.